Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Wait a minute. My phone wasn't sitting properly. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If it's your first time joining me, my name is Lisa Homuluvi and I do vlogs and things like that. This is another vlog. It's Friday today. I've got the day off, so it's a long weekend for me. I slept in, I woke up at around 10 and the weather's gloomy. I had the curtains drawn, it was nice and dark. I had a good sleep because I was really tired as well from the week. So I'm having my breakfast today. I'm having some, I showed you in the shop before, it's just some cereal, like all bran flake type cereal. Some of them are lighter colored, so I don't want to say it's all bran, so I'm not sure. And then some yogurt, and then some raspberries, which I froze because I don't want them to go off, and then some watermelon. So that's what I'm having this morning. I have a great weekend planned. I have a yacht party for my friend's birthday tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. I'm going to show you the outfit that I'm going to wear, and then you guys can come along with me to the store because I want to get some earrings, like some thickish hoop type earrings, because I think they're gonna fit the look that I'm going for. I also want to get like a headscarf. Hopefully I can get one that matches the shoes I bought. I bought shoes yesterday for the outfit. They're like minty green color, pastel though, like light, yeah, you know what I mean. I'll show you anyway. If you can hear the noise in the background, it's the washing machine going. I'm washing some of the cushions that I bought at IKEA. As you can see, there's nothing on the couch because they've got like a weird smell, like a wet dog type smell, or you know, do you know that smell? Wet dog smell. That's the only way I can describe it. So I tried steaming them and it didn't work, so I threw them in the washing machine. And I hope it works out, and I hope they aren't ruined, but I picked the bedding setting, so hopefully that works out. Anyway, I'm just going to enjoy my breakfast and watch something. Wait, guys, does anyone else make sure that they put rubber gloves on when they've gotten their nails done? Yes, I want to show you. So these are my new nails. I don't know if it's in focus. It's just natural with like a gold edge. I think it's called reverse gold manicure. I saw someone on Instagram with like an influencer, so I was like, I want it. So look, you guys, I'm putting these up, right, on the, I hope they dry nicely, and I'm realizing that it's legitimately feathers in here. What the hell? I didn't know they still made pillows with legit feathers. That's why there's that weird smell in these. Ugh. This is the finished product. The big one is taking the place of this one that I killed over the winter, and I'm trying to propagate it, so I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but I'm going to try. I'm gonna try see if it's gonna grow from here. The plant man, the horticulturist or whatever, he had said I can do this, do it this way, and he said I must wait till the summer to do it. Now it's fully summer, so I'm doing it. I've just put it in a vase. Don't know how it's going to take, but we'll see. So that's what my teeth look like. That's it. That's the shot. I think I'm going to wear these ones or these ones. Yeah. And then this is my outfit for tomorrow. I've laid it out on the floor because my bed is so messy. I don't want you to show you the messy bed. So it's like a very lightweight, I guess it's polyester. It's like this nurse type blazer type thing, and then shorts. I love matching sets, guys. I love them. I love them so much because it's simple. You don't have to worry about putting things together. And then I got these shoes yesterday. They're so cute. At the store, I wanted like a scarf to tie around my hair. I'm gonna wear a wig. And then, oh my goodness, guys, these are my new sunnies. Oh, they're so nice. Let me show you. These are my new sunnies. I got these last week. How beautiful are these? I love them. Oh, I forgot to say, underneath I'm wearing a bikini. So like just a white bikini. And the bottoms. And yeah, man. I'm so excited. We're back home, went to the store, and now we're having dinner. But this presentation, I'm not sure, eh? But thanks for dinner, my love, yeah?
You're welcome. It's easier for me to do like that.
What are you wearing today?
Good morning, guys. So it is about 8:30, I want to say, in the morning. Oh, hang on. I need something for my hair. I'm trying to put my wig on. This is the wig. I finished cornrowing my hair last night. Oh, not cornrows, 2-strand twists. They're so simple, I feel, for anyone who can't cornrow. I can cornrow, but it takes too long. So I just did this, and not the neatest because I was in a rush. Let me get my foundation. Not foundation, I'll be back. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some hairspray over it. I'm going to do this. I don't know how to do this properly. Okay, my goodness, round 2. I'm in the taxi. And yeah, I finalized his gift. I got a gift bag. I should show you. And I stopped at okay, so I went to Starbucks to get a cup for him. When I got to Busan, I went to Daiso to get like a paper bag. His theme is nautical, so I thought, let me stick with the theme. So I got that's his little card, and I got him a shimmer body oil. I'm so jealous. I almost didn't give it to him, but I thought, hey, it's king. For buying someone a gift and then keeping it. Oh, I've been in this taxi, you guys. So we're gonna be in these here waters very soon. Busan traffic is the fucking ghetto. Guys, my goodness, if I can tell you. Rizamaile, maybe how many minutes? No.
Probably like 15 minutes.
15-minute walk because there are no taxis from the hotel to where we're going. But luckily we're almost there. The sun is blazing hot. It's so hot. we can hardly breathe through the masks, but we move and we're late. Champagne ring, friend. Birthday boy, baby, what are you saying?
Hello there.
What are you saying?
I'm not 36, guys. I'm
Happy
27.
birthday, babe!
I am 36 today. But look at this skin.
Listen!
That's a scandal. He's not 36. He's lying. Come on, man.
What are you saying? Are you ready?
We're filming. We're live. Jessica, we live.
Let me see you walk, 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 walk. We just stopped at Starbucks to get some drinks. I'm so tired. More than anything, like, forget being turned.
Turn right.
Let me turn this thing on.
In 1 kilometer.
More than being turned, I'm so tired.
Guys, welcome to my channel.
In fact, this is like the 3rd day into the vlog, so actually not.
This is Sundays.
This is my my special juice, and then yeah, it is my special juice. And then I have more berries in it this time. That's why it looks like this. And then we're just having some bread. I'm so excited. And yeah, croissant. This is like some olive bread with like a special cheese inside. Oh, so yummy. Can't wait to eat it.
It's mine. That's mine.
We're just at the store, guys. Gonna get some stuff for the week.
Be careful of traffic signals. Speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
No artificial flavors. As if. Only 10 calories per serving. That's why it tastes so weird. So guys, I'm cutting this pineapple that's been sitting in the fruit basket. So how I cut it is I hold on to the top here, right? Hold on to the leaves and then just go downwards like this. Make a flower or star or sun shape. Cut the bottom like that, and then I'm gonna slice, and then throw it in a container. So it's that simple, and it's so juicy. It's a juicy one. So my baby knows the way to my heart. He got me this yesterday. I said, oh, buy me something, please. And that's what he bought, and this nice planter. So I'm transferring this to that. I feel like I always end my vlogs here now. Anyway, everybody, it is 10:20. It's time for bed. We just finished watching the movie Fatherhood with Kevin Hart. And it's the end of the day. It's been a very lazy day, to be honest. All I did was stay in a room the whole day until I showered and we went to the store. So nothing special. Did my plant, repotted my plant, and and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, you guys. It's going to be quite a fun one to edit, I think, and so I think it's gonna be really nice. Okay, why do I just have a cable on my neck? Okay, I hope you guys did enjoy the vlog, like I said, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, anything you want to comment. Like I always say, let me know what you thought of my long weekend and everything.